EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Market here with your outlook for May 3rd, 2019. For your Friday, we're expecting mostly cloudy skies today. Could be a shower in spots this morning, but I think most of this day is actually dry again. We don't get any shower activity until we get toward later in the evening. The better chance to see something in the afternoon, or at least late afternoon, would be in central Pennsylvania, as some of this moisture makes its way eastward. But we're talking about the possibility for scattered showers and thunderstorms. I think thunderstorms are going to be in our far western areas and not further east, because it's going to be running into a stable air mass. And the reason for that is we had another one of these backdoor fronts come through last night. So here was yesterday evening. This is actually looking at 8 o'clock last night, and the temperatures at that time. But then look from the east here. Look where the direction the temperatures come from. The lower temperatures. Watch this. See this? See the cold temperatures coming in from the east again, and you get that easterly wind and easterly flow. It did not get too far inland, but it gets all the way back to about central Pennsylvania. It's going to start to work its way eastward a little bit today, but not completely. So if there's going to be any activity, it's going to be where this heating is. It's over here, not over here. This is looking at 1 p.m. on Friday. You've got temperatures in the 50s in far eastern Pennsylvania, much of New Jersey, except maybe extreme southern New Jersey. But out here in central Pennsylvania, temperatures are nearing 70 degrees. So a big difference in temperatures here where that front is. And we're very, very accustomed to this over the last several days. And you're going to be, if you're not accustomed to this yet, you certainly are going to be by the time we get to the end of the weekend, because we're going to be doing this day on, day off stuff where we're just dealing with warm one day, cool the next, warm the next, cool the next, and it's just going back and forth. And that's going to continue straight through the weekend, it looks like. So it does look like our cool days are going to be today and again on Sunday. Warm days were yesterday. It's going to be warm on Saturday, and it's going to be warm to start next week. Actually, a couple consecutive days, finally, of warm temperatures going into next week. So we're going to go through this. Let me go to the NAM High Rest Future Simulator radar. I'm going to start this off this morning. This is 9 a.m. You can see a few spotty showers in a few spots. Most areas are still dry, though. And then most of this day is dry. Okay, spotty shower here and there, very, very widely spread out. So most areas are going to remain dry during the day, again, today on Friday. And as we move into the evening hours, here's 5, here is 6. You see some storms forming out here in central Pennsylvania. Again, that's where those warmer temperatures exist. Watch what happens as we go through time. It moves eastward, and this is just showers. It collapses because it's running into a cooler and more stable air mass further east. So I don't expect storms over in these areas. Central Pennsylvania, it's a possibility, but I think that's it. Even there, it's just garden variety stuff, not a real big deal. Okay, we do have showers that are going to continue into the overnight. Again, this is during the evening, and this is actually looking at 8 p.m. on Friday. So you see there's not really, most of this day was dry until you get to the evening, and then you have some showers move through. Not a real big deal. And then you get into the overnight. You got another round of showers that are go into the late overnight period after midnight, and then we dry out on Saturday. We're looking at this weekend yesterday, and if you watched the video yesterday, I was talking about the concerns about the differences in timing between several different models that were projecting something different. One was saying rain on Saturday, another one was saying rain on Sunday, and they really didn't have a good agreement with that. Well, here is Saturday. And the same thing from the European model guidance and now the GFS and the NAM. It says the entire day on Saturday is dry. Not only is it dry, the sun's going to be out. It's going to be a nice day. Dry the entire day. Partly cloudy, mid to upper 70s for highs. So a very nice day on Saturday. Your rain is going to come in late overnight Sunday night. Very late. Probably after midnight. Okay? And the rain will go into at least Sunday morning. It may dry out in the afternoon. There is a possibility for that to occur. Here's looking at the period between 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. on Sunday. And you can see it's mostly dry for most of our areas except for far southeastern areas. Okay? So that is a possibility that we just get, a 6 to 10 hour period of rain here from midnight to about, maybe early or during the morning on Sunday, and then it starts to clear out in the afternoon. Very possible. If you looked at this, the models at the beginning of this week, it looked like end of days with all the rain that was coming. We didn't have that much rain this week, and we're still not going to have that much rain. This will probably be our only notable rain system coming in on mainly Saturday night, Sunday morning. And that's it, okay? And this moves through, and then we are dry here on Monday. We are dry on Tuesday, so we have 2 straight days of warm temperatures, Monday and Tuesday, and sunshine. And then we get to Wednesday. Here's Tuesday night. There's a little front that's going to be in the vicinity. Could touch off a shower overnight on Tuesday night, and then during the day here on Wednesday, we're partly cloudy again. So we could have 3 straight days there with just a shower overnight Tuesday night, and that's it. Again, these showers are not going to be a big deal when they do occur, but you could have 3 straight days there with sunshine, which would be nice for a change. We haven't been stringing these together, and also warm temperatures all 3 days. Once we get to Thursday here, we have an opportunity for some scattered showers and some periods of rain that will go Thursday and Thursday night, and that moves off the coast and dries us out for Friday. So that's what it's looking like for the week ahead here. And again, not a lot of precipitation we're dealing with. We now narrowed down that time frame for the weekend, and what we're looking at, it looks like, again, late Saturday night, probably after midnight for most, and going into the midnight through about noon on Sunday is your time frame for the best chance for rain, and then tapering off after that point. I don't want to limit the chances that it lingers in the afternoon, because it certainly can, especially for our south and eastern areas. So we'll watch that for the end time. I know some people have some things going on here on Sunday. We're asking about it. For some activities that are going on outside, but I think definitely the better of the 2 days this weekend is certainly Saturday, and Saturday looks fantastic as it looks like right now, and we're getting awfully close for it to be, the forecast to be wrong, considering it's tomorrow. So it looks like a good day here on Saturday, partly cloudy, and temperatures that will be in the mid to upper 70s, maybe some clouds increasing later in the day or the evening. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marcus. That is your outlook for May 3rd, 2019. Have a great Friday.